Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yashvi Mehra. I am an Indian commercial model, and on my channel I talk about everything that I have learned related to skincare, beauty and fitness. And today we're going to be talking about everything skincare. I'm going to help all the beginners in my audience to build their own skincare routine. So you should grab a notepad and a pen because you're going to want to write stuff down. Now before we begin, I just want to get this out of the way that I'm not a doctor, I'm not a skincare specialist, I'm just a model who is surrounded by people with all this knowledge about skincare, and I have all these makeup artists around me, and I ask a lot of questions, and it's just a topic that I really like, and so I have my own research, and I am in the industry of having a healthy skin after all. So that's where all of my knowledge comes from, and I took a long while in understanding why I have to use everything and what is the purpose, and I just thought it would be a nice idea to compile it all for my audience. So here it goes. So a basic skincare routine for all the human beings out there, all skin types, consists of CTM and UV protection. You must have heard something about the term CTM, but you must be confused what it is. Before getting into that, I just want to talk a little bit about knowing your own skin type. All of you, before getting the products that I'm going to be talking about, you should know your own skin type, and you can generally just know by observing your skin. There are three kinds of skin that you can have. You could either be a dry skin type, an oily skin type, or a combination. A dry skin type would usually have dry patches after washing their face, or generally if they don't moisturize their skin. Oily skin types can be told that by the end of the day you tend to look all greasy, so then that's how you should know that you're an oily skin type. And a combination skin can have the symptoms of both, so you should figure that out first, and then you should try to get all of the products that I'm going to be talking about. Now that that's out of the way, let's talk about CTM. CTM is cleanser, toner, moisturizer and sunscreen, and that is the order to use all of this. So first let's talk about the first step, cleansing. So cleanser is a fancy term for the word face wash, and I know all of you have it in your washrooms, and you need it to clear your skin, you need to clean your facial skin and to get your skincare routine started. And it is an important step considering that we live in this environment filled with a lot of pollution that sinks into the pores of your skin, so you wanna clean it in order to have healthier skin. And now, how much can a layperson elaborate about what a face wash is? So let's move to the toner. What is a toner? Oh my god, I took the longest time figuring this one out when I was making my skincare routine. मुझे लगा कि okay, I know what a face wash is, and yeah, I've always applied a cream after applying my face wash, but what is a toner and why do I need a toner? So if you are anything like how I was, let me tell you in the most easiest, I'll try to keep it very easy. Basically, a toner is used to balance your pH level after you have used the face wash. Basically, it is used to close the pores that you have opened by using the face wash, and it hydrates your skin, and the hydration from a toner seeps into your skin and stays there, and it is very, very important to hydrate your skin and hence to tone your skin. Finally, the moisturizer is a much needed step for hydrating your skin, and hydrating your skin is very, very important. So the molecules of a moisturizer are bigger than that of a toner. They don't seep in, they stay out, and they lock the moisture in your skin, they hydrate your skin, and they lock your skin, they lock your pores, and they keep your skin looking glowing and healthy and yummy. So you need a moisturizer. Finally, sunscreen. UV protection is something that we all need, we all know, to protect our skin from the rays of the sun, from the UV rays that come from the sun. So what happens if you don't use sunscreen is that the UV rays of the sun is what causes the aging of your skin, the wrinkles on your skin, the droopiness of your skin, etc, etc. Basically everything that you don't want to see on your skin is something that the UV rays could cause. So what you want to do is use a sunscreen to protect your skin from aging sooner, and you want healthy, younger looking skin for a longer time. So you want to use a sunscreen for that and protect your face from the harmful rays of the sun, and hence keep it looking younger for a longer while. So now you, no matter what your skin type is, need to have all these steps in your skincare routine. And it's not true that someone with an oily skin does not need to moisturize their skin and etc, etc. It's not true. All of you, with no matter your skin type, need to have all these steps in your skincare routine. But what you should do is get products according to your skin type. For example, for someone with an oily skin, there are gel-based moisturizers. And for someone with a dry skin who don't choose to use normal cleansers, there are oil-based and cream-based cleansers. So you can always choose products according to your skin type, but you should not skip any of these steps. So understand your skin type and choose your products wisely, because there are a multitude of products in the market for you. So if you're wondering where did all the night creams and eye creams and serums that you keep on watching on Instagram go, what I told you, what I explained was a basic skincare routine. And only after you get used to something like this, if you still have not stepped into the world of skincare, so it is only after you get used to all of that will you want to explore more. And so of course there is an option of eye creams. Eye creams are basically an extra step of hydration for your under eyes, because they get dark and saggy and you want to hydrate them a little bit more. And then there are night creams. Night creams are basically just thicker moisturizers, because they say that we lose a lot of the moisturizer and hydration of our skin during the night when we sleep, and that is why we wake up, at least the drier skin types, that is why we wake up a little bit, feeling a lot dry on the face. And so that's why night creams are just a thicker moisturizer, but you can always, it's optional, you can always use your own moisturizer at night as well. And then there are serums. Serums are just an additional step of hydration that some people prefer to add to their skincare routine. And a lot of these serums come with their own perks. For example, a vitamin C serum also does not only hydrate your skin, it also brightens your skin and whatnot. Finally, we also have exfoliators, which you use basically to scrub off the dead skin on your face, and then comes out your fresh baby skin. And yeah, so that's why people also choose to sometimes, not regularly, exfoliate their skin. So yeah, these are all of the additional steps that you can use, and obviously the list goes on. There are always DIYs, masks, and these tools, these fancy tools, tones that you see nowadays. So you can always choose to add all of that to your skincare routine and really have fun with it. But of course, I think I would like to make a separate video about this level up of skincare, and I really hope that all of you very soon get used to your basic skincare routine that I had just explained. The last point that I want to make here is that breakouts and irritations or anything like that that you experience on your skin can still happen once in a blue moon, because skincare is not just this, skincare is also what you eat and your environment, and so there can always be reasons why you break out or you feel an irritation on your skin, and there are surely ways that you can help yourself even in those situations. But what this basic skincare routine does is keeps your skin healthy and young for a long time, and make you feel amazing. So I really hope that you start your skincare journey very, very soon. Please feel free to ask me anything in the comment section. And I'm basically planning on doing this whole beginners playlist on my channel for skincare. So there will be a lot more videos coming about skincare and also hair care. So please stay tuned and please do subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helped you. And see you the next time.